How to log in to Webster Bank online banking. Kindly begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer. Proceed to a trusted search engine, such as google.com. In the search bar, type Webster Bank and press the Enter key. From the search results, carefully identify and click on the official website of Webster Bank. Once the homepage has loaded, locate the Login option and click on it. On the Login page, please enter your username in the designated field. Then, enter your password in the appropriate password section. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to begin the recovery process. To enroll in digital banking for the first time, kindly click on the Enroll option. If you are a business user, you may switch to the appropriate platform by selecting Business Logins. For commercial banking needs, choose the Commercial Logins option. To view additional login options, click on More Logins. Lastly, after entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account securely.